Did you know that including a limited liability company or LLC in your estate plan can be a powerful tool for protecting your assets? If you're interested in finding out more, stick around and I'll explain why. Hi, I'm Cindy Kang, founder of CMK Law Group. I'm an estate planning and business attorney here in California, and I support families secure their future through comprehensive estate planning. I also support entrepreneurs with their business legal needs. Today, we're going to discuss 5 crucial things you need to know about including an LLC in your estate plan. But first, let's define what is an LLC. An LLC is a business structure that you can use to own various types of accounts and property. It's owned by members who contribute either money or property or other services, and you can have a single member LLC or a multi-member LLC with management either shared among members or handled by an elected member or manager. Now, what can an LLC own? Many people think of LLCs as structures solely for operating businesses. However, LLCs can own a wide range of assets, including real estate, investments, and expensive or risky properties like airplanes and boats. So why should you consider using an LLC in your estate plan? One reason is asset protection. Since the LLC is a separate legal entity, typically the LLC's creditors can only go after the LLC's assets and property, not the members' personal accounts and property. Also, if proper formalities are in place, the members' personal creditors may not be able to reach the LLC's accounts and property to satisfy the members' personal debts. Another reason to consider an LLC is probate avoidance. Anything that's owned by the LLC, either retitled into the name of the LLC during your lifetime, bought by the LLC, or transferred by operation of law at your death, will not go through the public, costly, and time-consuming process of probate. The probate process only transfers accounts and property that you own in your name at your death. By using an LLC, the LLC, and not you, owns the accounts and property. However, if you own a membership interest in an LLC in your own name, then the transfer of that membership interest at your death may still need to go through the probate process. So how can an LLC be used in an estate plan? During your lifetime, you create an LLC and then transfer accounts and property to the LLC or name the LLC to be the beneficiary of your accounts and property at your death. Once it has been created, you can purchase more property or create accounts in the name of the LLC. As the creator of the LLC, you will be a member. A member is someone who owns an interest in the LLC. And depending on the number of members and the type of management, you may also be the manager of the LLC. And if you're married, your spouse may also be a member. You can also add other people as LLC members, either when the LLC is created or down the road. Be aware that there may be gift tax consequences associated with adding members who do not contribute their own money or property to the LLC. The LLC becomes the owner of the accounts and property, and it is operated as an entity separate from its individual members. It is this separation that allows an LLC to have some level of asset protection. At your death, the only item that may need to be transferred is your ownership interest in your name in the LLC. The accounts and property owned by the LLC will remain owned by the LLC. Most LLCs have an operating agreement. This outlines the rules for how to manage and transfer a member's interest. The agreement should include details about the members, the ownership percentages, how to resolve conflicts, restrictions on transferring membership interests, and what happens to a member's interest upon their death. If you do not have an operating agreement or need to update it, it'd be important and a good idea to consult with an experienced business law attorney. And if you're not working with a business lawyer already, please consider reaching out to us, as we can work with anyone in all 50 states to help you set up or look at your LLC documents. As an additional layer of protection, you might transfer your membership interest in the LLC to a revocable living trust, or RLT. This would allow you to manage and benefit from the LLC as the trustee, avoiding probate, since the trust as a separate entity does not ever die. The trust can continue to own the membership interest after your death, with a successor trustee stepping in to handle all the LLC matters, or you can designate that the interest in the LLC be distributed to a beneficiary under the terms of your revocable living trust. To fully benefit from an LLC, it's essential to follow the state requirements for formation and ongoing maintenance, such as filing annual reports with the state and keeping separate records for LLC transactions and maintaining separate personal and LLC finances and business banking account. Treating the LLC banking account as your own personal account is definitely a bad idea and will undermine the LLC's asset protection by piercing what is known as the corporate veil. Starting in January of 2024, LLCs defined as reporting companies must file a beneficial ownership information report, or BOI report, with the Department of Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. This report must include detailed information about the beneficial owners and applicants of the LLC. So if you already have an LLC, please don't overlook this new annual requirement with FinCEN. We understand the importance of protecting yourself, your loved ones, and your hard-earned assets. A comprehensive estate plan can help you achieve these goals with the right strategies for your particular situation. If you'd like to explore getting a general estate plan in place, please look for a qualified estate planning attorney in your state. If you happen to be based in California, please consider reaching out to our law firm. Contact us through the link in the description box below. Also, if you're interested in getting an LLC set up for either a new business or for asset protection purposes, such as holding some of your rental properties, you can also consider reaching out to us, as we can help everyone in all states with business formation services. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And please feel free to share this with your friends and family and anyone else you think could benefit from this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.